Hey guys, so today I got me a new ceiling fan yesterday. This is a Hunter original ceiling fan. Yeah. So this is a white and brass one. I got this fan from a antique store. This fan looks really good because I do have a Hunter original, but it's a reverse air original. Here we show you it real quick. Here it is. This is the reverse air original, and I'll show you one of the fan blades for it. Here it is. Sorry, doesn't look the best, but yeah, in this one, I tested this one out, and it doesn't work, unfortunately, but yeah, I got another Hunter original this time. Yeah. I just want to show you this fan. Thanks for watching.